Good morning, guys. Linggo. And I will start my day with a cup of coffee as usual. I will get my nails done. Finally, guys. Finally, I'll get my nails done. I'll go with white. Final talaga yan, white. Kasi every time na I get my nails done, lagi ko sinasabi, oh, I'm gonna get this color, and then I end up getting a different nail color. But this time, white talaga, promise. Ganito yung gusto kong gawin, guys. Tapos iibahin ko din yung shape ng nails ko. I had it done like this before na. I actually took a picture and posted it on Instagram so pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, guys. So, white, tapos ganyan yung shape. White lang lahat, walang silver sa ring finger. So, ganyan. So, I'm just gonna wait for my coffee and then we will get ready. Kasi the nail salon will open at 11 and now it's 10:20. I wanna get there early kasi sobrang busy nila, guys, kahit na linggo. And then we have Dan's stepdad's party as well. So, nandito na yung gift. Yes. Nandito din yung gift. Pero, itong card na galing kay Typo, yung 10 cents lang, guys. Ito siya. I got you a card because I knew nobody else would. Parang ano si Dan. Nandito na din yung gift namin. Yung plano sana namin today is mag-film kami today ni Dan, diba? Kaya lang ginawa na namin kahapon yun eh. So, we filmed 2 videos na kahapon. So, hindi na namin kailangan mag-film ngayon. And we will drink the Sunmig Barako coffee. This is from Castle Glen, guys. So, if you're interested, I will leave the link of the website below. So, sila yung mga supplier, distributor ng mga Filipino food dito sa Australia. Isa sa mga supplier at saka distributor. Mabango siya. Oh my gosh. Mabango siya in fairness. Alam nyo naman ako, mahilig ako sa mga instant coffee ko lang. Ooh. Guys, barako. It smells really strong. Tikman natin ito mamaya. Pero hayaan muna natin dito kasi sobrang init pa nito. Mag-makeup muna tayo ng slide. Oh, by the way, napalit ako ng necklace. So, I'm wearing, because I started wearing my mom's ring. Now, I'm wearing like a gold necklace as well, just to go with the gold. This is the R necklace na I got. I'm pretty sure this is from Kim's Collections, guys. And guys, ang tagal na nito sa akin, ha? Ilang taon na to sa akin. See? Wala pa rin tarnish. Same pa rin yung color niya. And hindi ka mag-worry kasi hindi naman siya totoong gold. So, kung masira, okay lang. Pero yeah. I was listening to Jacqueline Hill's video, yung nag-get ready with me siya. So, gusto ko yung mga ganitong video na parang hindi ko na siya tinututukan, hindi na kailangan tutukan, nakikinig na lang ako. At least parang nasasatisfy ko pa rin yung, hala, nakanood ako ng video kahit na hindi naman. Kasi hindi naman ako nakatutok. Pero, like, natapos ko. Kasi hindi na talaga ako nakakanood ng mga videos, guys. Kasi sobrang daming ganap. Okay, tapos na yung makeup natin, guys. We will try this coffee na kasi hindi na to ganun kainit. You're having the same coffee?
Yeah.
Okay. It's stronger and looks darker than the other one as well. It's not as sweet. It's stronger than the other one.
Good.
Yeah. You will like this. What are you making?
Egg in a hole.
Egg in a hole.
It's a good
what am
egg,
I gonna?
actually.
Good egg?
Do you want egg in a hole? You? Alright.
Sige. You'll make me one?
Yeah, you'll work.
Okay. How many?
4 eggs with 4 pieces
Are
of
you beating the eggs?
Yeah.
Ah.
Trust me.
So iba-butter mo lang yung guys, bread. I'm not gonna have egg in a hole kasi I don't like the beaten egg. I want like just the normal egg. Pero binit na niya yung tatlong egg eh. So.
I can put a whole egg in there if you want a whole egg in there without beating it.
Yeah.
Do you want a whole egg in there or not?
Sure. Make sure you don't break the yolk.
No. I'm trying to make sure there's...
Closely. You want to make sure what? Char. Char.
There's some cheese on it?
No.
Really?
Yep. Just want plain.
Cheese around the edges tastes good. A little bit of cheese? Gives it flavour.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. You should cover it so it cooks it properly.
I know.
Char. Try natin yung egg in a hole, guys. Yung itsura niya. Looks really good. Look. Yeah. Di ba may kasalanan siya sa akin kahapon? Sabi pa niya sa akin, ano, to make it up to you, I'm gonna cook you breakfast tomorrow and I'm gonna vlog it. Tapos na ako malikot lahat. Nasa bed pa rin. Sabi ko, akala ko ba lulutuan mo ako ng breakfast? Ano na? Okay, I forgot about it, babe. Poor me.
What would you rate it out of 10?
Out of 10? 1.
Bullshit. Debate.
It's 7. It's not bad, babe. I'll eat it. I mean, I'm eating it. Masarap yung cheese, guys. Yeah, the cheese is a good idea. Susuot lang ako ng lip velvet. Paris Ink Velvet. This one is in the shade... Looy, yung box niya, hindi ko alam kung nasaan. Pero ganito siya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong shade to. Pero I got this from Yes Style. Ubusin ko lang yung kape ko, tapos mag-lipstick tayo. Okay, mag-kiss lang tayo sa tissue, guys. Kasi parang very bright siya. Ayan. Naging matte na siya. I love it. Kinis ko lang yung tissue. Anong shade ba to? Ganyan, guys. Okay, so I have my wallet. I have my Yep, I have my wallet. I have my phone. Okay.
You have my money as well, babe?
Your money.
Yeah, my money. You got my money. You can get your nice stuff.
Someone commented on that video with Pete and Sharon when we did the family dinner, when I cooked for them, and she said that's why I don't like Germans, Australians, and there's another race that she said, because they make their wives like they're like maids. That they make their wives cook for them and do all the stuff for them. And I was like, I cooked family dinner like once or twice or 3 times, and his mom does it every week. So, you know. Anyway, you will never win, because if I film you as well when you're cleaning, like doing just the basic stuff, they said, you shouldn't let your husband do that, it's your job. I was like, what am I gonna do? If I do these things, I am the man. If he does it, you should not let him do it because it's your job. No way! The husbands needs to help, guys. Come on. You're lucky if your husband actually helped you. I'm lucky. He helps me. He helps me clean the house. Happy wife, happy life. Right, babe?
Another one.
Yes! Happy wife, happy life.
Alright, babe. See you later.
Leave me alone. Okay. Hoy, don't miss me too much. Be good. Check muna natin yung flowers. Diba? Yung tulips, as in humaba yung stems niya. And then, bubuka na yan, guys.
Looks like the tulips just popped out as well, the vase.
That's what I said. The tulips just popped out.
Maybe push them all in so you get the water still. The light of them.
No, I think it just went longer. No, it's longer. Yeah, it's still at the bottom.
Screw like that.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, babe.
Wow.
Buti pa yung tulips nag-grow. Buti pa yung tulips tumatangkad. Oops. Sana hindi ganoon ka-busy yung guys, nail place. Kasi kailangan ko bumalik dito siguro mga 1:30 ng hapon. Kasi yung birthday ng stepdad ni Dan magsa-start ng 2. Nahirapan ako mag-shower kanina kasi yung kuko ko ba, yung dito sa parang base. Ano na siya, guys, parang anong tawag doon? Ano ba tawag doon? Parang hindi na siya naka-attach sa kuko ba? Kasi powder to, 'di ba? Powder na tumigas. Sa tagal na niya dito sa kuko ko, parang umano na siya. Anong tawag doon? Parang umangat na siya, guys, na kapag tinatouch ko yung buhok ko, pumapasok doon yung strands ng buhok, tas nakakainis kasi natatag mo yung buhok mo, ang sakit. So sabi ko, I really need to get my nails done. Oh gosh, the parking is so tight guys, pero we did it. Check ko muna kung nandun sila sa old location nila kasi lilipat sila eh. Pero malapit lang naman yung lilipatan. So, let us go ahead guys. Tapos na tayo guys. I'm really happy with my nails. Gusto ko sana ipakat sa kanya ng konti lang, pero sabi niya mas maganda yung coffin na shape kasi iniba ko yung shape. Ano shape? Coffin na yung shape niya guys. Yes, tama nga, shape. Yeah. So, hindi na lang niya kinat. So, it's still long, but different shape. And, sabi ko sa kanya, yung white. Kasi pagdating ko dun, ako na agad-agad. Kasi hindi ganun ka-busy. So, usually kasi guys, ang busy talaga dun. So, kanina, I was so happy. Ako agad-agad. Pero ito, hindi siya yung flat-out white. It's kind of like white, tapos merong very slight na touch ng pink. I'm not sure if you guys can see clearly, but yeah. Let's go. We're on time. Lalabas siya. Okay. Go, kuya. Ooh, that's tight. Ooh. Ooh. Napaka-tight dito, guys. Oopsie. Bye. Your beautiful wife is home. What? What's this?
What? I'm leaving you, babe.
You're leaving me? Are you getting rid of all these?
Yeah.
Oh, good job, babe. Where did you find the bags?
In the kitchen.
Okay. I went for a bright red color.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like bright red?
Yeah, good.
Just kidding. Look.
Good.
Guys, we will be using this para tanggalin yung buhok ni Dan sa likod niya. So this is the Nair Cream Face and Body. Yan. Okay. Yeah. And you know what? I paid $5 extra just for them to shape it like this.
No.
Yeah, that's alright. Ano guys,
Did they move? Did anyone?
No, they haven't moved yet. Kapag coffin yung shape, magbayad ka ng $5 extra. Anyway, I was so close to saying you didn't even like shape it because I already shaped it myself. All she did was she didn't have to cut my nails, whatever. She just have to file it, and you file it anyway, whatever shape it is. Anyway, but I don't complain. So hindi ako marunong mag-ganun. Anyway, I just paid. So what we do first is smooth on thickly to cover hair. Oh, I have to. Okay, let's do it, guys. I'm not gonna film it because the bear is naked. Guys, alam nyo ba, yung pagtitipid ko sa aking mangustin walang nagawang mabuti. Kasi guys, hindi ko siya kinain agad-agad kasi parang umabot sa point na dalawa yung ganito namin, 2 packs. Kasi nga nung bumalik kami doon, naka-sale siya, so bumili kami. And ngayon, ang tigas-tigas na niya guys. Hindi na siya ganun kadali i-open. Tapos most of yung mga na-open namin, sira. So, ngayon ang hirap. Pahirapan talaga siya kainin. Kapag na-open mo na naman siya, hindi siya ganun kaganda. Oh, let's go? Okay.
What are you doing?
I was gonna open one mangustin. It's gonna take me forever, so let's just go.
I'm gonna make a mess. Let's go.
I will make a mess. I'm gonna bring a snack. I'm gonna bring patatas, crispy patata. Or sweet corn. I'll bring sweet
How
corn.
did you guys clean it up?
No, I didn't. I tried. Looks good.
Always pasties.
Can I peek?
You can peek.
Mmm.
That's alright.
That's alright. I'll peek. Ooh, yum.
Yeah, the bacon turned out.
Sorry?
The bacon turned out, but the pork.
That looks really good. This is the...
But yeah, that turned out really nice.
Nice.
This
Why do you work in the dark?
the way it can feel better.
We have the tables ready for the kids. What is it? Tiny teddy. Nah, I don't like that.
Just have one. Have one.
Okay, sus.
Kids love this.
Definitely takes the kick in it.
Is that chocolate? Nah, I don't like it.
They're a bit moldy actually.
Bahay na kami, guys. Lamig ng bahay. Grabe. Nagdala kami ng pagkain kasi sobrang daming leftover. Let's do a food haul. Pakita natin sa kanila. Yung mama niya nagluto ng pulled pork at saka pulled beef. So, ito yung pork. Ang sarap guys, napaka-tender. And then, they have quiche as well. Did she cook the quiche as well?
Nah, we don't want that.
Merong quiche. And then, ito parang Lebanese na dessert. Kasi yung family ng girlfriend ng stepsister ni Dan, bumisita dito, galing Lebanon. So, gumawa sila ng dessert. Tapos dinala nila kanina. And then, we have another quiche. And then, ito. Babaunin to ni Dan bukas. Yung gusto ko lang kainin para sa akin is yung pulled pork. Ano ko siya, guys. Kakainin ko siya with rice. And then, ito na yung parang pinaka-cake niya. Wala siyang like cake. Ano lang, mga cannolis. So, ito. Is it an Italian thing, babe? The cannoli?
Yeah.
Yeah. But Pete is not Italian, right?
Nah, but we've always had it.
Yeah. Masarap to guys, actually. Meron din kami, isa to sa mga handa namin ni Dan nung sa wedding namin. Yung gusto ko yung custard. Pero itong kinuha ni Dan, may custard siya dyan sa end na yan. And then, chocolate on the other end. This is good. This is good. And then yung sweet corn ko, kasi nagbaon ako kanina ng sweet corn, hindi ko maubos. Kasi ako pala yung nag-drive. Hindi ko talaga tuloy nakain lahat. Babaunin ko yung pulled pork bukas. So, meron pa akong rice dyan. Yun yung aking ibabaon. So, at least I don't have to cook na, guys. Diba? Meron na. Ang dami pa nilang leftover dun. Yung mga bisita nga nag-uwi pa kasi ang dami niyang niluto. Sobrang stress siya kanina. Kasi sabi niya, oh, it's not good enough. And it's actually good. No, your mom was stressing.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. No, the food was good. Anyway, I'm gonna prepare my lunch for tomorrow.
Your rice. Can I make some your rice?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Will you have much rice to make tea tomorrow, some rice? You probably will, won't you? So, how many cups? I'm not lazy meals tomorrow, tea.
Okay, so just make
Half or two?
two rice para lunch ko bukas at saka tea ko na din bukas. Guys, I'm having dinner. Nagutom ako. Initin ko lang to. Gabi na guys, siguro mga malapit na mag-10. Nung nandun kami sa bahay ng mama niya kanina, kain-kain kami diba? Tapos wala namang rice obviously. Nung nakita ko yung mga ulam niya, sabi ko, ang sarap dito with rice. Tapos nung natikman ko na itong pulled pork, sarap. Sabi ko, So, buti na lang maraming natira. So, nagdala ako para baon ko bukas at saka ngayon. Anyway, gabi na guys. So, i-close ko na tong vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget me. Goodbye. Good night. Mwah.